Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today I have a special guest in my kitchen. Guess who? It's the aggressive man, Kwaku Manu. We are cooking his favorite today. That is no fried okra stew with Banku. Come with me and let's cook this special meal together. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Come with me and let's cook out for our special man, Kwaku Manu.
For our ingredients for making our no fry okra stew, we'll be needing our okra, garden eggs. This is our cocoa, palm oil, dawa, blended spice, stock cube, herring, dry herrings, dry shrimps, scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, red bell pepper, some onions, fresh tomatoes, and we have our copra fish, our fresh fish, and yekoto papabi. Just have a look. Such as energy, it's really going to be on another level.
I'm so happy today because I have the aggressive man in my kitchen. It's really going to be very exciting. There's going to be a lot to talk about today. Back I'm sure so by what I'm sure mommy. We'll go ahead and add some salt to our meat. It's always important. And our blended maize spice and some chopped onions. This is a very simple Ghana okra stew, but it's no fry. We are not going to fry. Everything is going to be in one pot. But as I always say, it's always important to start the basis of your meat without water, only the spices and some onions, salt, then you will get the right taste on your one stock cube on it. You mix everything together without water and you cover it on a medium heat for the juices from the meat to do its job. As you can see, everything here is for the aggressive man. Without adding any water to the meat, the juices from the meat, look, has done its job. Phenomenal bean, it has a lot of flavors and taste when you do it this way. We go ahead, since it's one pot, everything has to go into the pot. So add our tomatoes, onion, and a pinch of ginger and some red bell pepper, and then we'll add our peppers. But I just want to put it in the center so that I can remove it when it's cooked. We'll cover it up again on a medium heat. We'll go ahead and shred our onions for some garnishes. It's very important. Red onion in your okra stew is a must. Man quite ready. Special one pa some kitwa. And you know, this type of no fry okra stew, but me just give it a try. It's just the same. This one does not take a lot of time. Everything is in one pot. It's just a perfect okra stew for everyone. Busy mothers, busy people. You just put everything in one pot and you are done. Now we'll coast to Papa Via. Are you ready? we'll go ahead and blend all our veggies. And so this is our dry herrings. As I soak it in water, wash and clean, and it will soak in water. I'll go ahead and add it to my blender. And this is my also shrimps, and this is the original dawa or locust beans. It will go in and all my veggies together. Let's put our veggies and the more. Got the flavors here together with the herrings and the dawa and the monko, everything. Wow, the flavors here are really awesome. Go ahead and stir it in. And I'll cover it. I'll higher the heat for it a bit. Since we are making it in a stew form, we don't need too much water. So it's just going to be like this, and then later I'll add the oil. Since our okra is in stew form, just a little bit of water is okay, not too much of water to cook it. Let's add our Mr. Koto pepper everywhere. Pumukoto. All this is for Mr. Aggressive. Yes, okay, and then they have it. We'll go ahead and add our shredded onions to our okra. Just say we need all the flavors here. And I'm adding it late because I really need the colors in here. Oh, I mean, per se. Jane any belus and the flavors and then the colors. So no. It's just a little cook. Then it's okay. Then we'll taste for salt. Let's taste for salt to see. We need a little more. Salt is always to your taste. So we are going to add just a quarter teaspoon of salt to our stew. I'll stir it in and add my oil. Ready again and we'll papa. So we just go ahead and add our oil to the sauce. It's okay. And then we stir it in. So we beer and then Kwaku. Before we add our fish, our white fish is also there. So we'll add our copra or the white fish later because it was fried. The chicken crack with the begum later. Yeah, the baby and then egg. So go ahead and add our okra. Just like. Then we'll stir our okra. Just have a look, guys. The perfect okra stew, no fry okra stew, the most healthiest one. Nana, I age more any share and any. Guys, check out our no fry okra stew. Mr. Aggressive interview is really going to enjoy this stew. I wish I found one share. I'm Saddam Kruma, quite papa, baby, I cut of fish. Chessy and then I'm your baby, I son almighty dawa so. And this why you as you know, dawa is really good for your health. Ten no any okra stew papa be very fast, very easy to make. And to know be a bit me. Just give this one a try and let me know how it turns out. Mr. Aggressive interview. Everywhere you are, it can come once. God is he can do. Hey!
Yeah, share. Kwaku Manu na ready.
Our special no fry okra stew with banku is ready. This okra stew is very healthy, easy to make, and is very delicious. And all this goodness is for Mr. Aggressive, the aggressive man himself. Just have a look, abusia for Moshe, and quite papa be na ready. You don't get this okra stew anywhere except Angela's KOD's kitchen. Just look at our koto papa B. Wow, this banku is heavily, as I always say, and yes, I'm kito banku ni nkruma quite papa B. Whoa, and I have a day. All this is for Kwaku Manu and Filaman. I'm so happy. Yummy, yummy. Delicious. All are invited, but it's rather unfortunate you cannot come and eat with us. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy meal. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Kwaku is really enjoying his Amsterdam okra soup. Guys, bye bye. I love you. May God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.